In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DocuSign conditional logic step by step. This guide will help you understand how to effectively configure conditional logic in DocuSign, enabling you to create more dynamic and responsive documents for your signing workflows. Let's get started by heading over to the DocuSign website. Once you're on their homepage, log into your account if you haven't already. The first thing you want to do after logging in is to locate the template section. This is where you can begin customizing new or existing templates to fit your particular needs. Once you're in the template area, the next step is to select the specific template you want to work with. Selecting a name from your list of templates ensures that all the settings and modifications you are about to make apply specifically to that template. It's crucial to stay organized, so make sure you're working within the correct template. After you've selected your template, you should click on the Next button. This will take you to a screen where you can start adding fields to your document. Here is where the magic of conditional logic happens. Once you're in the Add Fields section, you will see an option labeled Formula. Clicking on this option allows you to add a formula to your template. It's essential to place this formula exactly where you need it within the document. Accurate placement ensures that your formula operates correctly and affects the right sections of your document. Once you've placed your formula, you can move on to adding conditional fields. The option for conditional fields is also located in the Add Fields section. Clicking on conditional fields will give you the tools you need to define rules that control when fields are visible or required based on the input of other fields. Creating these rules is a powerful way to make your documents adapt based on user input. To set up these rules, you will need to click on the Create Rule button. This is where you will define your logic. You can specify conditions and actions that modify your document's behavior. For instance, if a signer selects a certain option, you can choose to display additional information or fields necessary for completion. Once you've crafted your rules, the next important step is to type any additional text that is needed within your rule settings. This text might include instructions or notes for your signers, explaining how to interact with the document or what to expect based on their previous inputs. The final steps are to click on Done to save all your changes and to review everything one last time. Once you are satisfied with your setup, the last action you should take is clicking on the Send button. This will initiate the document sending process. Sending your document off will start your workflow, allowing your signers to engage with your newly configured conditional logic. And there you have it, setting up DocuSign. Conditional logic is a straightforward process, but the key to success is meticulous attention to detail along each step of the way. This concludes our guide. Thank you for watching and happy signing.